be ineligible. Therefore, the county cannot pay that amount for the time being. And they have invited those people with those bills to come forward and justify those bills. Okay? Those people will come there, will make their justification. If the county consider that they are eligible, then they'll be paid, or whatever they decide. That's another issue altogether. But for me, my understanding is that this administration of Honorable SIMBA Arati have been able to save the Kisii people a sum of about 1.4 billion of the pending bills that are said to have been left over by the previous administration. So maybe those issues, my chair, my respectful submission is this, that now that the report has been given here, and there's a window of opportunity for those with complaints about those bills to go back to the county government and consider them. If maybe there are issues that will arise where the county government has refused to pay, or there is no progress on that, then whoever is concerned can raise an issue with the Senate for them to be able to address the issues that will have come out of that renewal. But for my perspective, I think this answer is satisfactory, and it is able to address the issues, the concerns that had been raised in the statement that was sought by the Honorable Senator. Thank you.